Surprise. We are going on a jet.
What?
All aboard, please.
There it was, an absolute specimen of an aircraft, my first love.
Welcome aboard.
I can't believe I'm flying.
This would begin an experience I would never forget. Here I am on this plane going to one of the farthest trips the airline offers.
Propeller one-way night coach. Stops at Pittsburgh, Chicago, Kansas City, Denver, and Los Angeles.
I never thought things could get better. The sun was shining, and I was eating a hot dog at 600 miles an hour.
Lunch is ready. Chicken cordon bleu. Mom, I don't really like this. Could I have another hot dog? Wow, fantastic.
And it was fantastic. This young man has flying in his blood.